Let's take a look at this question. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? Okay, there are two matrices given, and if these two matrices are equal, then for what values of x and y are these matrices equal? Or conversely, can we also say that if these two matrices are equal for some values of x and y, find those values of x and y. That's what we are interested in, right? If you can actually find some values of x and y, right? Because there is one of the options which says that it is not possible to find any such x and y. Let's try to solve using a general approach that will compare these two matrices. Okay, which of the following given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? Okay, so let's compare. What do we get? 3x plus 7 should be equal to, this element should be equal to 0. Okay, 5 should be equal to y minus 2. Okay, y plus 1 should be equal to 8, and 2 minus 3x should be equal to 4. You can observe there are 4 equations that we are getting, but variables are only 2. There are extra equations, yes. So there is a chance of discrepancy, right? There is a chance of inconsistency between these equations. So we'll have to solve for x and y and check whether we are getting the same values or different values. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 equations. From the first equation you can get x. Okay. So as well as you can get the value of x from 4th equation as well, right? Okay. So let's find x from first equation. This is 3x equals minus 7, which gives me x equals minus 7 by 3. From the 4th equation, let's try to find the value of x once again. What do we get over here? This implies 2 minus 3x equals 4, or 2 minus 4 is equal to 3x. Minus 2 is equal to 3x, and yes, there seems to be an issue over here. The value of x should have been same from the two equations. We are getting, in one case we are getting the value of x as minus 7 by 3, in the second case we are getting the value of x as minus 2 by 3. So there is an issue, right? For x equal to minus 7 by 3, this will get these two elements would become equal, but these will not be equal. For the other value of x, this would be equal to this, but this will not be equal to this. Okay. Why are you not finding y? Let's find y also. We can, but there's no need as such, since what I'm saying is the values of x obtained from 1 and 4 should have been same, and the values of y obtained from 2 and 3 should have been same. Herein lies the problem. The values of x obtained from 1 and 4 are actually not same. So therefore, it is not possible to find any possible x comma y pair for which the following pair of matrices are equal. It is not possible to make these two matrices equal, as you can observe over here. For that matter, what would be the value of y? Y, as you can observe, would be 7 in this case and 7 in this case as well. So for y there is no issue, but for x, yes, there is an issue, especially in this 3x plus 7 and 2 minus 3x. Both of them cannot be equal to 0 and 4 correspondingly. That is 1 and 4 cannot be satisfied simultaneously. Had there been some common solution over here, it would have been very easy, and yes, that would have been our answer, but right now, no. There is an issue in this one. And yes, therefore, these two matrices, it is not possible to find any x and y for which these two matrices are equal. That's what we have, right, in this question. Please note this complete. I'll get aside for a minute, yes, and that is all in this question.